Hey y'all, Billy Thomas here, and in today's video, we're going to take a database file from an Azure server and bring it down to our local server so that we can work on it. Well, let's get to work. Well, I'm sitting here in my Microsoft Azure SQL Server, and I've got a database here. It's the AdventureWorks LT 2016 that I want to get moved from my Azure server over to my local desktop. So the way that we're going to do this is we're basically going to back up the file, move it to Dropbox, then log in to the other server, download the file from Dropbox, and restore it. So let me just walk you through it real quick. This is going to be a very simple procedure to do. So we go to our database, we right mouse click on it, we say task, and we say backup. And here we're just going to use the defaults, do a full backup. It's done. Once we have the backup, and I have it right here in my backup directory, so it's AdventureWorks LT 2016.back, we're going to take that backup file and we're going to move it into Dropbox. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to throw it into Dropbox, let it upload. Once it's uploaded, now I have it out in the cloud. Now that it's in the cloud on a system like Dropbox, I can log into that cloud-based system and pull the data down on my local PC. So running over here to Dropbox, now I'm in my Mac and I'm going to hit refresh and I should see the file there, and there it is. And if I hit download, all right, let's hit download, and it's downloaded. Now there's one more step to make this very efficient, and that is we want to move that file from the downloads folder into the backup folder. So if I go to downloads and find the file, which is right here, and I copy that guy and I move it into the backups and paste it, and here, right now I've got my AdventureWorks LT 2016.back in my, if you look at the path here, program, SQL Server, blah, 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 backup. When I go to actually do a restore, SQL Server is going to like that I put it there. It's much easier to find. So now all I need to do is go to database, right mouse click, restore database. We need to go to device and add a file. And we're looking for the LT 2016. We hit OK. We hit OK again and again. And database AdventureWorks LT 2016 restored successfully. At this point, you're going to want to verify that your tables, views, data made it over okay. Just do a couple quick checks and you're good to go. Hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. And if you like what you see, make sure you subscribe. See y'all.